Don't throw away cucumbers that are slowing down or producing poorly. There is a simple but extremely powerful solution that has been used for generations, and it guarantees a bountiful harvest. Many gardeners make a big mistake by not feeding their plants on time, especially cucumbers, which are extremely grateful if they are properly cared for. So stay until the end of the video, because today I will reveal one of the most effective feeding methods for cucumbers, which helps plants to bloom better, produce tastier and crispier fruits, and be more resistant to diseases and drought. Like this video because it means a lot to us, and subscribe to the channel. It is completely free, and we bring you great tips for your garden every day. And all this without chemicals, only naturally. Cucumbers are plants that consume a lot of energy, especially during the flowering and fruit formation phase. If we don't give them enough nutrients, they quickly start to weaken. Baking soda regulates the pH value of the soil and prevents the occurrence of fungal diseases, while dry yeast germa promotes the growth and decomposition of organic matter in the soil. So let's go to the recipe for natural feeding. To get this powerful mixture, you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast germa, 5 liters of warm water. Mix everything well and let it stand for 20 minutes. Then water the soil around the roots of the cucumbers once every 10 days, preferably in the evening. After just a few days, you will see the difference. The plants will become greener, healthier, and will start blooming again. If you want your cucumbers to bear fruit for a long time, abundantly and without disease, try this natural recipe and report the results in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share this advice with friends who love gardening.